Household products may go wrong sometimes, especially when we need them the most. Out of no choice, either we call a technician or rush to the service center. But do you know, some problems may be solved by you easily at home. Known for its speed and style, Bajaj fans have something for every home or office. Sometimes you may hear a humming noise coming from the regulator when you run it at low speed. This may happen due to usage of electronic regulators. This problem can be fixed by replacing old regulator with resistance type regulator. The same process can be used for other Bajaj fans as well. Hope this video helps.